Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. First, turn on your Nintendo Switch and open System Settings from the home screen. Scroll down and select Internet, then tap on Internet Settings. Once your available Wi-Fi networks appear, select the network you are connected to and choose Change Settings. From here, scroll down to DNS Settings. Change the option from Automatic to Manual. Now select Primary DNS and delete the existing numbers. Enter the following DNS carefully: 045.055.142.122. After entering the DNS, press the plus button to confirm and then save the settings. Once saved, select Connect to this network. The connection may take a moment or show a message saying registration is required. This is normal. When prompted, select Next and then choose Continue to Google. A browser page will open. Use Google to search for Roblox and open the official Roblox website. Once the page loads, you will see the Roblox login screen. From here, you can log in or register using your account and start accessing Roblox through the browser. So that's basically how you can get Roblox on Nintendo Switch. That's it for this video. Thanks.